Hey guys, we're going to look at adding different numbers to groups. All right, so we have a group of 3 objects, 1, 2, 3. If we add one more, how many will we have in all? 4. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's move these over. All right, let's look. We have a group of 2. 1, 2. If I add one more, how many do I have? 1, 2, 3. Very good. All right, I have a group of 1. If I add one more, how many do I have in all? 1, 2. Very good. All right, so what if I had 2, 3, 4, and I add 0? I'm still going to have 4 because I don't have anything else to add to it. All right, what if I have 3? Let's take this one away. What if I have 3 and I try to add 0 more blocks to it? How many will I have in all? 3. Good job, guys.